This is Skills Homework 10, Kite Diagrams. Well done if you're watching this video and you've made it. These diagrams look like kites. And it's just a type of graph to compare the distribution of things. And this is our data, and we've got a rocky shore with the sea there. This is the beach, this is the sea, and then we've got distance from the splash zone that's going down there. Okay, and so this is our x-axis, these are so that's our independent variable, and our x-axis, our y dependent variable, is these strange letters. These strange letters match up to these numbers here. So A, C, F, O, R, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 for graphing purposes. So can I put that there and get a piece of graph paper, and what we're going to do is we need to set up our x-axis. So we can either do this at the top of the one, I'll do it at the bottom, and we need 16, so I'm going to do 2, each square is 2. Okay, you can draw this in pencil, I'm going to draw it in pen just to make it stand out. Okay, and 0 to, oh god, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and that gets us to the end of that. And on this axis here, I'm not going to draw a line, but we've got our different organisms. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to need 10, a maximum of 10. It's going to be kite, 5 each way. So we could have one kind of there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could have our different organisms there. So I'm going to write the name of these organisms down here. So this is Littorina neritoides. We have got Ligia oceana, Balanus, Balanoides, Patella vulgaris, vulgata, sorry, and we have got Actinia equina. There we are, sea anemone. And each one of these is going to have, I'm just going to draw this in just in pencil. Each one of these is going to have its own little axis going across here. And then each one, even though we're not going to actually put them on, each one is going to have a little Y going up and down as a reflection of each other. And so this 5 scale up to there and down to there again, so that would be 5, 5. But we wouldn't normally put these on, so 0 to 5 there. And then whatever letter it is, we're going to go up and down that distance. So this is a species of animal. here, so I'm going to write species of animal, labelled our axes. This down here is distance from the splash zone in meters. Then we just need to plot the data. So let's go for Littorina. So we're going to go 0 common, so that's 4. At 2, its frequency, that's 3. So you notice we're going up and down. At 4 meters is occasional, which is 2. And at 6 meters it's not present, so that's going to be 0. And then, as ever in biology, we can just join these up, dot to dot. Doesn't look very kite-like, that one. We'll see what the next one looks like. There's your Oceana. 0 it's rare, so that's 1. So I'm not going to put the numbers on here. And occasional at 2. So occasional is 2. Up 2 and down 2. And at 4 meters it's not present at all, so at 4 meters it's 0. And so we draw this one, and this one actually does look more like a kite. That looks a bit more like a kite. And then Balanus balanoides, so at 4 is occasional, but at 2 is 0, so I'm going to put that 0 on there. So 4 occasional 2, 6 frequent 3, 8 abundant 5, 10 abundant 5, 12 abundant 5, 14 occasional 2, 16 rare 1. I would love to put 0 there, but I haven't got any data, so I can't. So I'm just going to join these up. Again, the usual rules apply. The line has got to go through the centre of a point. There will be some slight tolerance with marking this, but not a lot. If you're using a pencil, then that'll be easier, because you can always rub out mistakes. There we are, Balanus balanoides. And Patella vulgata, so not present at 4. So not present at 4. And then we just need to work our way down here. Rare at 6, so rare is 1. Rare at 8, 1. Common at 10, 4. So some of these could theoretically run into each other, and this one is going to run into the other one. 14 frequent 3. 16 occasional 2, and again no data for any more, so we can't add any more to that. And join up the points. You can see we're running at the maximum of our scale. It'd be better if we had it a bit more spaced out possibly, but it'll do. That's patella vulgata and limpet, and the sea anemone, so not present at 6, so we can 0 at 6, at 8 it's rare 1, 10 rare 1, 12 occasional 2, 14 rare 1, and 16 not present, so that can actually go back down to 0 and look like a proper kite. There we go. So we could put a type on here. I'm not gonna bother. So we've got our axes labelled, our x and a y, units if needed. We plotted our points accurately. We have joined our lines dot to dot. Looks like a kite, so we can see the distribution. And is there evidence of zonation? Yes. We can see we've got Littorina and Ligia over here. They disappear, and then we get these other organisms. So Balanus across the middle, almost present in every area, and then some like Patella and Actinia, more towards the other end of the splash zone. And I'll do a separate video for the question 2.